Hello, good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Hi,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
so I see there are around 26 students, but I heard just 3 of you saying good morning.
Good
Good
afternoon.
morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, yes, it's good afternoon. I'm so sorry. Yes, good afternoon. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Number
So you all are there? Can we start?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so we were doing interpersonal skills, right? You all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you all quickly tell me, like, what did you all understand by interpersonal skill that we did last time? We just did, the starting of it, a little bit of the understanding of the interpersonal skills. You all have done your communication skills, right? Yeah, I'm talking to you all, right? Hello? Can you all hear me?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I please request you all to be active and responding? Okay, you can keep your, is there a background noise that you can hear from my end?
No, no background sound is there at your side.
I mean, there's some work going on, so you might get some background noise, but otherwise it should be okay. So rest of you, it's my humble request for all of you that soft skill sessions are here for your benefit, for you, to bring you out of that shell and bring you to an edge where you can help yourself. So if you all don't talk to me, then it's going to be very difficult to help you. If you think that if you will not talk, if you will not participate, it's going to be difficult for you to come out from that shell and bring yourself to an edge. So refining yourself all starts when you start participating. And I would appreciate that you all should start talking. If you're not talking, at least write in text. You can write here, or you write the texts here, and talk a little more. If you are facing a problem in understanding what I'm saying, you have to tell me that. You have to give me a feedback that, ma'am, I did not understand, or ma'am, ami buste parchi na. I'm going to explain you. But here we are talking about your life skills. And that cannot just develop through just one lecture and my gyan. That is not going to happen. You all have to understand that it is for your own benefit. There are two things that goes parallelly. One is that you know about that particular thing. You know that what communication is. Yes, ma'am. I know it is exchange of thoughts, ideas, feelings. This is the cycle of communication. This is what happens. I know what is interpersonal skills. I know what is intrapersonal skills. But I'm not going to. And this is like the knowledge. So tomorrow in your examination, you might write the points, the keywords, the points, and you might get marks. But is that going to take you to a place where you want to look at yourself like that?
No, miss.
Okay, I'm talking to you all, right? So why aren't you all responding? কিসের অসুবিধা হচ্ছে কথা বলতে? You can talk in Bangla, you can talk in English. I understand that you might not have, you're feeling a little shy or introvert in talking in here. First of all, we are not seeing each other. If you do not talk, then you are breaking the cycle of communication. Probably I should tell your principal that, you all are not ready to talk, or you're not ready for the soft skills. Is that what I understand? এরকম হচ্ছে কি তোমরা শিখতে চাইছো না, or you don't want to refine
No,
yourself? No. So I want
No,
you all
ma'am,
to
no, ma'am.
talk. I'm here to talk to you all, and here more than I talk, it's very important that you all talk, because I know what I have to do or what I have to do tell, but it's you who have to learn it from me, right? And you have to learn it from each other as well. I believe সবাই সবার থেকে কিছু না কিছু শেখে. Everybody learns from each other. I just don't want to, you have to understand my perception also. Being your professor, being your lecturer from now, where I want to take you from this stage to this stage, তোমরা যদি সাথ না দাও তাহলে তো that is not possible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to talk. I mean, I can just give you lectures. You want me to do it like that? I will every day I'll come and I'll give you a one hour lecture. Okay, এটা হলো চারটে theory. এটার এরকম এরকম লোক হলে এরকম এরকম personality হয়, এরকম এরকম লোক হলে এরকম personality হয়. This is what you want to learn, or you want to learn a difference in yourself? তার জন্য you have to put an effort. একটু effort নিজে থেকে দিতে হবে. And no matter from whichever background you come, I do not believe somebody tells me and says that, you know, madam আমি কখনো ইংলিশে কথা বলিনি, আমার খুব লজ্জা লাগছে, are you going to give the same examples, or are you going to give the same excuses when you get a job? কালকে যদি if you get a job, say in TCS or any other company, Wipro, Cognizant, কোনো একটা জায়গায় job পেয়েছো, and they tell you to talk, they're going to judge you with your personality, they're going to judge you with your efficiency, they're going to judge you with their work. Are you going to say that না না স্যার আমি তো এরকম ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থেকে এসেছি, আমি এত ভালো করে বলতে পারছি না, my English is not as great, আমার একটু সময় লাগবে? Can you take this risk of saying?
No, ma'am.
no,
You cannot take
No,
that risk. If today you come and tell me, ma'am, আমি এটা পারছি না, আমি এরকম করে বলতে পারছি না, বা আমি জায়গাটা বুঝতে পারিনি, you can take this risk today?
yes,
Yes, right? তোমার profit and loss, you all are like engineers, right? You all are trying to, you are very calculative. তোমরা সবাই, you should understand that কোনটাতে তোমার ফায়দা হচ্ছে, কোনটাতে ফায়দা হচ্ছে না. So tomorrow if you go and say that এটা করে আমার আমি পারছি না, that is going to be your loss. But today if you tell me, that's not going to be your loss, it's going to benefit you. So I do not want you all, first of all, you should be on the time in your class and write active. So if your class starts at 12, you should be logged in by 11:55 and be active. Okay, no matter what, if we are not doing the theory, we are talking. That is more important. If you want me to come 5 minutes early, I'm going to be there, always available for you. But you have to help yourselves. So are you going to promise me that you're going to do that? This is a promise. You people are going
Yes,
to.
ma'am. Promise.
yes,
Yeah.
miss.
Yes.
Yes,
So
miss. Promise it
I
is.
want to see you all talking. At least start trying. You know, it is something like, it's a life skill. So কেউ যদি swimming শিখতে চায়, they will go to the coach and they'll say, sir, I want to learn swimming, আমাকে swimming শিখিয়ে দিন, কিন্তু আমি swimming শেখার পরেই জলে নামবো. You think it's possible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not possible.
No, ma'am.
Right? জলে তো নামতেই হবে. তোমাদেরও jump into the water. Come in the classes, jump into the water. তারপরে I will make sure যে কেউ না ডোবো. That is my job. But if you say that I will not come in the water, ma'am, আমাকে আগে আপনি শেখান, তারপরে আমি job পাওয়ার পর I will do. I cannot help you with that. Do not come to my class if you all think that you will do it later. If I am completing communication, if I've done with communication, then I will want all of you to talk. আমি এখনো language specific করিনি. I haven't said that you all have to talk only in English. I didn't say that. But you have to talk. কথা তো বলতে হবে. I cannot teach a blind class. I cannot teach a dumb class. Right? If you do not talk, বোবাকে কেউ শেখাতে পারবো? সে যদি কথা না বলে, শেখাতে
No,
পারবো,
ma'am.
but that is different.
Not.
So if I don't understand that if you're dealing with your problem with your English, you're dealing with a problem with your attitude, you're dealing with your problem with your behavior, I will not be able to help you. And এই এত লোকের মধ্যে everyone is different. Everyone has positive as well as negative, both the things. Soft skill classes এ কি করা হয়? To find out your positive parts and sharpen that. And make sure that your negatives, of course, তোমরা negative যেটা যার character you will not be able, it's not negative, but it's a challenge. Suppose somebody cannot finish something on time, they have to learn the time management skills. That can be a weakness, but that is something you can work at. So that is what we are trying to do. If you face a problem in speaking in English, then we will work on your skills, on your English part. কিভাবে help করে? সবার হয়তো ওটা problem নয়. Everybody doesn't have the same problem. It can be different. So first of all, here we are just dealing about your attitude and behavior. So in that, if I do not see the right behavior, I am going to come back and tell you again and again. And I make sure that who all are there in the class. I know who all are there. If I think I know who is not there, I'll make sure that who is not there. So then we will have a different kind of a conversation for that. So if your maths and science, your mechanical part, your technical part, if those are important, soft skill is even more important than those. Because a skill gulo is going to take you way ahead in your life. So kalke you'll have, how many students are there in your class? Tell me how many students are there in the class?
29.
Overall, how many?
30.
Yeah, today now it's 30, but is it like this is what the class? I think it's more than that, right?
Right.
So the point here is what I'm trying to say. 30 of you are going to learn your technical skills, and you're going to go to a place where there is a requirement, right? They need this. That is called your hard skill requirement. সবার কাছে ওই hard skill requirement আছে যে এটা করতে পারবে. You went for the job, but then how do you think they take you? They one out of 15 people, say 5 people are selected. How? What is that the the job interviewer is looking at you? It's your soft skill, it's your attitude, it's your behavior, it's the way of talking. You don't have to be a really good speaker, but you have to know what to speak and where what to speak. And that is why we all need to speak. Okay, so I think I gave a lot of gyan, and you all are old enough, adults enough to understand what is good for you all. So I want you all to be right there in your class whenever it's my class, and be active and start talking. Okay, so we started with interpersonal skills. Remember last time we were talking about interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills, what do you understand by that? Let me come back quickly to interpersonal skills. What do you all understand by interpersonal skills?
Convincing.
If you all don't talk, I'm not going to talk.
Communicate between 2 or more person. That's good.
Okay. Okay, Shubhu. Fine. What else? Others? What about others? Abhirup, Akash, Ayan, Ayush, Bikram, Bishwajit, Debanjan, Dilip, Kaushik, Amanullah, then Murtaj, Naveen, Nizamuddin, Rabi, Rahul, Shayantan, Shaikat, Shubho, Saurav, Srinjoy, Shubhajit, Shubhankar, Subir, Sujit, Sumit, Surya, Tuhin, sir. Okay. Vahija, where are you all?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
interact with
Ma'am, sound clearly
Doesn't matter. যখন answer
Ma'am,
করতে হবে, you unmute and answer, but you have to talk.
ma'am, interact with another person.
One to another person, correct. So interpersonal skills, you have to interact. Like right now, you all are not interacting. Your interpersonal skills are going down. So you have to start talking first of all. First thing holo kotha bola. Forget about communication skills. It's about the first gesture. If somebody comes to you and you just look here and there and you don't respond, সামনের লোকটা কিরকম ভাববে? You know, this is the kind of feeling that you're giving me right now. Suppose আমি class on করেছি and I'm not talking to you all. I'm looking here. How will you all feel? কিরকম লাগবে তোমাদের?
ভালো লাগবে না ম্যাম।
মনে হবে ম্যাম অ্যাটিটিউড দেখাচ্ছে ওরকম টাইপ অফ ফিলস
লাগবে
ক্রিয়েট হবে।
correct এরকমই লাগবে, আমারও ওরকমই লাগছে. So if you all don't start talking, this is what I'm going to feel. Okay, so your interpersonal skill is the kind of behavior, and that starts with talking, it starts with your gestures, it starts about how short talk bole, small talk, jetake hello ma'am, like when I start the class and I say hello, good morning or good afternoon, you know, I would expect, আমি যেটা expect করবো তোমাদের থেকে, you would come and say hello, good morning ma'am, wherever, whichever part of the world. Since now technology has become so good, you all can unmute and say good morning, right? It doesn't take খুব পয়সা লাগে
Okay,
কি
ma'am.
ওটা
Right,
বলতে?
ma'am. No,
Right?
ma'am.
Or maybe a little more of your personality where you can say hello everybody, how are you all doing? Kemon acho? Ma'am, how was your day? Ma'am, what are you going to study today? What are the things that we're going to talk about today? If we do not have these short conversations, কখনো করে উঠতে পারবে না. It starts right from the beginning. বলে না, charity begins at home. First, you start it here before you think that you will go and do it in your classes, in your in your work areas. So interpersonal skill is about showing it also. যেরকম last class আমি যখন interpersonal skill পড়িয়েছি, I expect যে আজকে তোমাদের interpersonal skills will be much better than what it was 2 days back. And it should refine and refine and refine and refine. I can always give you a lecture. একটা lecture আমি 1 ঘন্টার আরামসে তোমাদের দিয়ে দেবো, তাতে তোমাদের কোনো লাভ হবে না. It's not going to benefit you. So you have to inherit that interpersonal skills. Lastly, we spoke about the what interpersonal relationships are. Did we talk about the interpersonal relationships? Right? That interpersonal relationship focus করে on identifying the personality type. কয়েকজন দেখবে, when you meet someone, you'll find that they talk a lot. Some of them you'll find that they only talk in logics. Some of them you'll find that very expressive and খুব হেসে কথা বলছে, then you feel very comfortable. So you identify the personalities. Personality types আমি একদিন তোমাদের পুরো আলাদা করে বোঝাবো. Then what happens is your behavior affects on yourself, on others, and your organization. Just now that you did right now, it spoke about you. Like when you were not talking, it was talking about you as a person. It was giving me an impression about you, and it is also talking, remember, since you all are now a part of this college, you're also carrying the name of that college. Suppose kalke tomra TCS e kaj korcho, Cognizant e kaj korcho, you have to represent yourself thinking that there is a big name of yours, Cognizant. তার মানে Cognizant থেকে যখন কেউ এরকম ভাবে কথা বলছে, automatically he'll say that, oh hello, where are you working? So you are also giving the face and name and recognition to your organization, right?
Absolutely
Right, ma'am. Absolutely right, ma'am.
Right. And then interpersonal skill also focuses on your first impression. যখন আমি প্রথমে আসবো ক্লাসে, when I look at the class, you or forget me, when you enter your college and you go to your class, you will find comfortable with one or two friends, right? How does that
Right.
happen? That is
Right,
your
ma'am.
তুমি যে কি রকম vibes you are sending, what kind of vibes to the other person, যে তোমাকে দেখে comfortable feel করছে, either a smile works like wonder অনেক সময়, right? When you give a right smile, the right gesture, hey, hello, are you new to our session? Come down, do you know where to sit? This is our teacher. Your small introduction, making that person comfortable, that's the first impression, talks about your personality. Tomorrow তুমি নতুন কাজে যাচ্ছ, you go into your own department and you see nobody is bothered to ask you, yes, what will you do? You'll feel uncomfortable, right? কিন্তু তার মধ্যে একজন যদি বাইরে এসে তোমাকে বলে, hey, you've joined new, please come down, where is your desk? So you're going to sit here. He's our team lead and she works for the testing part, he works in here, where did you study from? So you start talking. Don't you think that person will be more dependable, trustworthy for you?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
So next when you go and talk to that person, বা কালকে যখন আমার কাজ করতে I will have a problem, I'm going to be dependent, মানে আমি গিয়ে একটা তাকে question করা, I can go and ask them a question, right? If I have a problem, তুমি খুঁজবে না কাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে, you know that this guy can be good enough to ask, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So by doing all these things, the interpersonal skills at truth, interpersonal skills যাদের strong হয়, তাদের what is the benefit? The benefit কি হচ্ছে? You are building relationships, right?
Right, ma'am.
It can be a relationship with your client, it can be a relationship with your teammate, it can be a relationship with your boss, it can be a relationship with your say a different department. Forget about professional, it can be a relationship with your canteen guy, it can be a relationship with you must have seen, right? অনেক কলেজে এরকম হয়, একজন they are very comfortable and they would go and say in the kitchen, hey, I don't know names, whatever, Raja, Babu, একটুখানি একটা প্লেট নিয়ে আয় তো একটু এখানে. So that person has some kind of a bond with that person and he would quickly do the things for him, right? Or এরকমও আছে অনেক বন্ধু যাদেরকে you find, okay, কোনো একটা কাজ করানোর জন্য, it can be your driving license, it can be your PAN card, it can be your Aadhaar card, you say that, hey, আমার একটা লোক আছে যে এটা করে দিতে পারবে. So what is that lok is up to? He's up to that relationship that he created or he made with the whatever authorities needed, right?
Right.
Right, miss.
Right, ma'am.
Right, that is usage of your interpersonal skills. সেটা ও use করেছে to build a relationship. There are few doctors with whom you have some special relationship. There are like the family doctor, you have any problem, you quickly call the doctor, Dr. Kaku, আজকে এরকম এরকম অসুবিধা হয়েছে বাড়িতে, so what do you think I should do? So he tells you, okay, give her this medicine and then bring her to me, right? You have those kind of relationships.
Right, ma'am. Right.
Right. So this is again, you're building a relationship. Then comes your personal relationship with your mom. Sometimes you're more closer to your mom than you're with your dad, or sometimes you're more closer to your dad than your mom. Sometimes you have a very good relationship with your siblings, bhai bondir songe. Sometimes you have a relationship with a girl, sometimes it doesn't work with some girl. You are in a relationship with someone who is very special, but ultimately you don't end up marrying that person, right? Because of these all the consequences and the relation building concept, those are all basically depends on your interpersonal skills or interpersonal skill of the other person too. Both has to go hand in hand, right?
Right, ma'am. Right.
So this is interpersonal skills are very, very important in terms of very important in terms of workplace as well as in your personal relationship. Both of them. Duto jagah. It's not only about only being eligible or you know uh, applicable in your work life, but also in your personal life. It is very important because in personal life, if you are good and acceptable, you will be acceptable and good in other ways also in your professional life also. So there are certain theories that is there in estimating your interpersonal skills. So those are called the theories of interpersonal skills. Okay, can you see this?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
you
ma'am.
can see this. I can just extend it, make it big. Can you all see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
these are like based on some psychologists who have found that these are the 4 categories in which certain theories fall, theories of relationship. So one is your attachment theory, one is your social theory, one is your equity theory, and one is the uncertainty reduction theory. Now, what do we understand by theories? First of all, let's talk about relationships. So, I did explain you types of relationship. You tell me what kind of relationship that values. अच्छा, actor relationship is, what are the things those are important? Let's start from there. What are the things important?
Mutual understanding.
Mutual understanding. Can you check who's there?
Trust,
Mutual understanding.
trust or belief.
Okay, mutual understanding, trust. What else?
Well, what do we say? Emotional attachment or something.
Emotional attachment. Okay, yes.
Another one,
Emotional
behavior.
feeling. Huh.
Behavior, others was behavior.
Behavior. Okay. What else? Behavior. What else? Yeah, come on. Whatever comes to your mind. What are the things?
Bonding. Ma'am, bonding.
Bonding. ঠিক আছে, bonding করে, okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, belief হবে, belief.
Sorry. Bolo. Whatever comes to your mind.
Ma'am, thinking or activity.
Sorry, thinking. Thinking what?
This respect.
And activity.
Respect. Yes,
Activity.
respect.
Yes. And
Respect. What else? So a lot of things you all said. Yes, you all are right. Say something more.
and
So trust, mutual understanding, bonding,
Ma'am,
emotion.
honesty.
Okay, honesty.
yes.
Yes. Then
Progressive.
Attention, ma'am.
sorry.
Progressive.
Son. Hello.
I could not hear. What was that?
Attention.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Attention. Yes. Yes.
Hello,
There's a
ma'am.
lot of attention needed. Yes.
Ma'am, good mentality for that and good thinking,
Good
good
mentality.
behavior,
And
and understanding.
Yes, understanding. We did talk about understanding. Yes, understanding.
many more. It is a
Okay.
Progressive.
Okay. Yes. So now here we are talking about a relationship. Yes. To build a good relationship, trust, mutual understanding, bonding, emotions,
yes, ma'am.
feelings, respect. What all you said are very important. So that means you all understand that what are important in building a relationship. Now, we are going to talk about these 4 types. Okay, the first type is this one. So the first type is your attachment theory. The first one is your attachment theory. Now, what do you all understand by the attachment theory? What do you all understand by the attachment theory? So attachment theory is like the things that you get attached in your life. Okay, like for every human being, you it includes your emotional, your personal attachments, which is your emotions, your feelings, the trust. These are the factors which are important in your in building your attachment, right?
Right, ma'am.
Now, for example, suppose you have your own certain beliefs that you respect your family, you have a very traditional family, and you get to meet a girl who is not as traditional as you are. তুমি হয়তো you believe in in say for example in certain rituals, and you meet a girl who doesn't pay respect to your ritual in your rituals. Do you think it's going to create a kind of conflict or a rough patch in your mind?
Of course, ma'am.
Yes, it's a very simple. You all are grown-ups. I'm sure you when you look at someone, or if you're dating someone, I'm giving you this example because it's a very common example. It's something that it's a common thing that happens. So automatically, either you get attracted to somebody or you don't get attracted to somebody. It's not only about the looks, but it's also about the belief system. It's about how that person looks at life. Suppose today you do not value about big cars or a lot of money or big status, but the girl does. So do you think it's gonna create a rough patch in your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And why is this happening? Because the concept and the theory says that you build a relationship through your systems, with your belief systems. Now tomorrow you meet a friend of yours whom you go and put your heart out, যার কাছে নিজের মনের কথা গিয়ে বলছো, and he doesn't pay attention. It's like, I forget it, yaar. পুরনো দুঃখরা নিয়ে গান করছিস, কি পুরনো কথা বলছিস, ছাড় না, এসব ভাবতে হবে না, এসব ছাড়। আরে, or somebody makes fun of your emotion. আরে ওকে ছেড়ে দে, ও তো is gone case. Will you like it?
Yes, ma'am. You like it.
You're not going to like it, right? So you're going to like it. Suppose তোমাকে কেউ you have shared a very
Yes, ma'am.
emotional কোনো একটা emotional কথা কাউকে বলছো, and your friend is not understanding and is like making fun of it and saying like, আরে ওর কথা ছাড়, ও তো সবসময় এরকম কিছু না কিছু একটা নিয়ে বসে থাকে. You're going to like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am means you like it. You're going to like it.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I will not like it.
No, ma'am, not
Yes.
like it. No.
No, you're not
Sorry,
going to
ma'am.
like it. Yes.
Ma'am.
So that kind of exchange, যেখানে you're putting in your emotions, but you're not getting back the emotional support, that, kills the relationship, right? This is your first theory, which says that how you feel about a relationship with another person depending on the perceptions, depending on the balance that we put in a relationship, whether it is the exchange of your emotions, whether it is the exchange of your thoughts, whether it is the, so that is your attachment theory. That is your attachment theory. Okay, where you get attached to someone
Okay.
through your belief system, through your social, through your emotions, and that is how you create. Like a lot of places, you might have friends যার সঙ্গে তোমার একটা emotional connect আছে. Yes or no? Are you all here? Are you all here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is your emotional connect. That is called the attachment theory, where you're attached like this. Second comes is your social exchange theory. This is more or less same, but social behavior is an exchange of your goods, materials, non-materialistic things also. ঠিক আছে, যেটার অতটা, but it is a symbol of your status, of you, who you are. So there are a lot of people you will find that starts talking to you because probably becomes your friend because you have a very big house, you're coming in a bigger car, or you are holding some kind of a respectable position. This is very common. Suppose you get a job or a position which is very affiliating, যেটা খুব দামি, don't you think a lot of people tries to be friend to you?
इस नेचर है मैम, हो सकता है ऐसा, क्योंकि सभी
होता है,
चाहता है
right?
मैम कि अच्छे से। Yes.
So tell me, how many of you believe in a give and take relationship? It's out of the context a little bit, but it's my personal
I believe.
question.
I believe.
Yeah.
Give and
So
take relationship.
yes. So how do you think Abhirup? That was Abhirup, right? Abhirupa.
Abhirup.
Abhirup. Okay. Abhirup. So what do you understand by this give and take relationship? What is it? What is the concept of this give and take relationship? And where do you find it more?
Give and take relationship I mainly find in college for visiting friends, and I believe in if I মানে বাংলায় বলছি, যদি আমি কিছু নিতে চাই, এটা বিলিভ করি, তাহলে অবশ্যই তার আগে আমি কিছু দেব। কারণ না কিছু দিয়ে আমি নেওয়াটা আমি মানে একটু লাগে, মানে I feel embarrassed. I feel embarrassed. So that according to my perspective, that is give and take relationship.
And rest of you? Okay, let me, yeah, Shubho, you can say, you were saying something.
ম্যাম আমার মতে যে বাংলায় বলছি, আমার মতে যে গিভ অ্যান্ড টেক পলিসিটা যদি সবসময় যদি করি, তাহলে অপোনেন্ট সবসময় ভাববে যে আমি নিজের সেলফের জন্য কিছু করছি, কারো ভালো করতে পারবো না যদি কেউ ভাবে।
Okay. That is also one way of looking at it. Absolutely. What about others? What do you all think? Okay, so give and take relationships gulo moreover kothay dekha jay? Where do you find it?
Just a kind of balance, from both the sides.
Vaija, say it again.
So means balance means equal means efforts, or what can we say?
Say it in
respect.
Hindi, Bangla, whatever. Samjhao, tell me, make me understand.
Miss, what? Means बराबरी का miss दोनों तरफ से kind of.
बराबरी कैसा कैसा वाला बराबरी माने कौन सा
Means
रिलेशनशिप बराबरी
it's like what? Say,
okay Mahija, you put up a very good point बहुत ही अच्छा, you know, this is a very big point and I want you all to listen to this carefully. A give and take relationship, which Abhirup said, was something like when you say that I want to learn something from somebody and you cannot, like, you have to give a guru dakshina, and the concept which came from our mythology, right? Like anything that is given free is valueless. That doesn't
yes,
mean
miss.
that doesn't mean that everything has to be, again, which Shubho said, that if I don't do anything without any you know, something in return, then it is like a selfish act. But I have to tell you, there's a small thin line in that every relationship, I personally believe that every relationship, and I want you all to think about it tonight, that every relationship is a give and take relationship. If you do not believe in the concept of give and take, then there will be an imbalance in that relationship. Hobe hi hobe, hona hi hai. You know why? Because, and it's not about only the materialistic thing. Now, for example, a relationship, suppose, is with your, of course, the doctor. Obviously, the doctor will come, treat you, and you pay him for what he's doing. That is his, he has to get that. That is a legitimate thing for him to get that money. And because you never take his money off, you could build a relationship. It's a give and take relationship. But there are few relationships where you don't have to pay money probably, but you have to pay it in a different way. And what is that be? What is that? Poisha chara, how do you pay a relationship? How do you pay back something? What is that? What kind of things are those? Abhirup, Shubho, I think you should say that. Or even Vahija, what do you think?
Personal relationship, ma'am.
Yeah,
Personal
what
type
are those things? What are the give and take things in personal relationship?
parents and
Okay, parents is the relationship. Kintu, what are you exchanging?
Respect.
You're there almost. Bhebe dekho, if your parents are giving you all the luxuries and whatever, the money, and they're giving you food, shelter, they're giving you, I mean, otar kono comparison hoy na, there is no give back to that. But you still have something in your mind that you want to give back. What is that?
Respect, ma'am.
Yes, you can pay back with respect. You can pay back by being
Love,
good.
care, affection.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right? So every relationship, this is what I'm trying to make you all understand. See, it is there in your mind. Sabko pata hai, you all know that. It's just that you have to be aware of it. So give and take relationships are very common. In social theory, jeta social theory that we were talking about, in social theory, books say, you know, in psychological books say, it is written that, you know, persons that give much to others try to get much more from them, and the persons that get much from others are under pressure to give them much. I'm coming to that, but all relationship have give and take, although the balance of this exchange is not always equal. Very important line. See, all relationships have a give and take. This is what I'm trying to make you understand. The give and take may not be only through money, but the give and take is also about how much effort you're putting to make that happen. Suppose the teacher is giving you knowledge, like I am teaching you, I am trying to make you understand, but how much effort you are putting to make that thing work. It's a give and take thing. I can only give, and it doesn't apply, you don't give it back to me, then it is again an imbalance. So you are breaking the relationship. Similarly, you know, for a wife, you must have seen in most of the families, a woman is only, she's responsible of doing things. She keeps doing, making food, cleaning the house, going to her work, coming back home, getting the food done again. You know, she's responsible. What is the giveaway? What is her intake? When she's giving, she's expecting something. So how many of you help your mom, go out of your way and say that, Mom, you don't have to do this. Let me do this for you. Let me clean the house for you. You do the cooking. Let me do this part. So there is a balance that you're trying to maintain in a relationship. Right?
Right.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again, the same thing when you have, if you are in a, you know, love relationship, you will find that a lot of time there is a lot of complaint when the girl usually complains that you know, the guy I'm seeing is not giving me too much of attention. Oh, amake beshi pata dicche na. Or even the boy can come say that this girl is amake beshi pata dicche na. So you are making an imbalance because there is an expectation of something in intake. If she's giving you, she's expecting also that return. So you're getting the cycle. This theory is called the social exchange theory. Now, there is a drawback to that also. Suppose I'll give you a very simple example. Okay. Now, for example, a friend of yours, every day, like Abhiru, like when you said that I feel embarrassed, this is from that part. Okay. Like suppose a friend of yours is making different kind of food for you, and he's so fond of you, he's bringing something for you every second day, but you are not able to feed him that way, probably because you don't know cooking, probably you are not in a situation where you can give him something, for whatever reason. So the other person, like you, who is not able to give, automatically is pressurized.
Yeah, ma'am, I agree.
You agree to this? Another very common example for Kolkata, I'll tell you. So there's a quite a ritual in Bengalis that in Durga Puja or in Bhai Phota, so everybody exchanges gifts, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
suppose you
Right,
have,
ma'am.
you have five siblings, cousins, not siblings. You have five siblings. Sorry, you have five cousins, not siblings. Pachta bhai bon there, you have to give them gifts. Okay, so probably for 3 months you have accumulated some money, which is why you have to, or suppose you are just giving them gifts, 5 of them. But similarly, when suppose they are not in a state to give you, it can be a financial condition, it can be a mental condition. So that person is pressurized to give something return back to you, right? So here the person that gives much to others, try to get much from them. So you are trying, rather than you're giving gifts to them, maybe you are probably pressurizing the other party to give you back, right?
Right. Ma'am.
Are you all getting the concept?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. I have a concept.
Of course, ma'am.
Yes. So for that, ওইরকম সময়ের জন্য, what is the right way of dealing with it? You have to be more empathetic, like you have to understand that person. ওই person's point of view থেকে you have to understand. When you probably don't give him a very exclusive gift, or you give him a gift and tell him that, you know, Today I'm giving you this, but I want you to, become a very nice person tomorrow, get a good job, and then give me something. And that should be my return gift. So how you're dealing with this kind of building relationship through give and take is called the social exchange theory. Okay, so the two concepts that we studied today was your attachment theory and your social exchange theory.
Yes.
What were the two
Okay,
things we
ma'am.
learned?
Yes, ma'am.
The attachment theory and the
Social exchange theory.
social exchange theory. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this slide. So it says that social exchange theory explains how we feel about a relationship when another person as depending on our perception. Perception means যেটা আমরা ভাবি, আমরা ভেবে এসেছি বা যেটা আমার belief system এ আছে. Of the balance between what we put into the relationship and what we get out of it. Balance বানাতে হবে between what? Balance টা কিসে হবে? যে আমি কি দিচ্ছি আর তার বিনিময়ে, or did I say the right Bengali?
কি পাবো?
Right, so an exchange of that, what are you getting out of it? ওই যেটা তুমি put in করছো, like you're putting in your effort, you're putting in your emotions, you're putting in your hard work, what are you getting out of it from that relationship? The mom is putting her unconditional love, care, and everything, emotional attachment. What are you giving back to her? Of course she doesn't need money from you, right? So what does she need? She needs that emotional support, she needs that love, she needs that care, which is uncomparable to what she is giving you. Mar bhalobasha ar tomar bhalobashar moddhe to there's a difference, right? A mom is an unconditional love giver. So on that, when your give and take comes, when you are giving back to her, it should be like what you're giving back has to balance to what she's giving you, and that is how you build a relationship stronger, right? And the chances of having a better relationship with someone else, these are the factors. This will help you if you understand these theories and what you have to do. It starts from your personal relationships and then goes to your professional relationship, because I believe that in personal relationship there's a lot of emotions those are attached. If you can handle those emotions effectively, efficiently, and in a balanced way, it is more obvious that you're going to handle your professional relationship much more better, because there at least your emotional involvement is in a different level. It's not as much as it is for your personal level, right?
Right, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
So you all understood, right? So attachment theory and the social exchange theory, all of you have understood this, both the concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So from my next class, I want you all to talk to each other, figure out your best possible way when you're even not only with me, when you're talking to your other lecturers, your other professors, you're working for a workshop, you're working for a project. Please use your interpersonal skills. If you do not do it today, you will not be able to do it again. I mean, not I won't say that's the wrong word from my end. You will find it difficult to do it. And there, when you step into the corporate world, you will not have time for learning this. Today is the time. Learn it and do it. Remember that you cannot learn swimming without jumping into the water. And once you learn swimming, you never forget. It's a lifetime skill. Like cycling, driving, these are lifetime skills. If you once learn it, it's going to be there with you. So same is with your personality. You have to refine it. You have to, come out from that shell I can just tell you, I can push you, I can pull you that to come out, but you have to do it all by yourself. So you all promise to do me that, right?
Yes, miss.
Right, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good. I want everyone to speak. I still hear only 4 or 5 people speaking. I want you all to write it if you don't want to talk, but speak up, because the next sessions I'm going to, after I finish with one of these chapters, I'm going to listen you all. I want you all to talk, no matter how you talk. So by the time when the colleges are open, obviously I'll go and see you, and that will be more easier. But before I do that, I want to see you in a much better shape. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Good
ma'am.
enough. Go through this part. Think about your interpersonal skills. Think that what you are good at, how you're going to reflect yourself when you first meet the person. So you all know each other, right? You all have met each other,
Right, ma'am.
right? So in my next class, I'm going to do an activity about all of you with each other. So I want you all to think about your interpersonal skills, each one of you, and tell me what are the challenges that you face. তোমাদের কোথায় অসুবিধা হয় when it comes to, you know, go and talk to somebody? What are the things that is a block in your head, or you think like আমি করতে পারছি না? Okay, so with that, I believe you all have a very good evening today. Enjoy yourselves, have good food, be energetic, and
You too, miss.
I'm always there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.